Hey guys, Adrian right here. Happy Sunday. I said I was making a video to show y'all how to make a chart with the Forex currency, guys. I've been doing pretty good doing this. So let's go. Okay, first thing you want to do, guys, you want to right click right here. You want to go down to properties right here. And what happens is, you can pick the color you want, the background, the foreground, if it's white, whatever, how you can change the colors like any color you want. I like black, keep it, so I can see it very good. The grid, I'll put none. And basically, these the grids right here, guys, all these little blocks and stuff. And you can see the picture, how it look right here. Just say you want to change the color. Say simple real quick. You want to change the bar up white, the bar down. You want to change it to red. You can pick any color you want. I just like these colors. Keep it simple. Uh, bar down red. All right, it's good enough. Let's see how it look. All right, guys. Now this is the chart up right here. Make sure it's on this the bar chart. Just the candles right here. And it's the line charts. I usually stick with the candlesticks right there. So I ain't gonna make this video too complicated. Let's do an hour. No, let's go 1 hour. Just show time frames you want to trade on. And I'll make more videos on techniques and stuff that I use. The 4 hours, the daily, the weekly, and the monthly right here. Let's expand it a little bit. And this is Euro versus USD, guys. So let's keep it flowing. All right. Many people got different strategies, guys. What I usually like is trend lines and support and resistance. So you want to do a trend line. What I usually do is I draw the line so it connects at least three times, and the red is a sell. So let me see, 1, 2. Let's put it up a little bit. All right, let's fix it real quick. You just double click it to get it perfect the way you want it. It's an hour chart, so I keep it simple. Like that's pretty good right there. So from this trend line right here, guys, if red is a sell, I'm gonna show you that real quick right here. Red is a sell, so it hit it, boom, 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 boom. The buy is the white. It didn't break that trend. It tried and it resisted, and the red came back down. Right here, guys. Went back up. Didn't hit the trend line right there. The red hit it. Went back down. The white came back up on the buy. The buy broke the trend line, guys. Now the red coming back right there. You see? So now what would I do? My thing is I like to trade with the banks. So let me see. What's a bank? Now a bank is something like this. These the banks. When you see red, white, all in a row like this, it's not going up or down. They're making a decision what they want to do. So what would I do? What would I do? What would I do? Let me see. The highest of the white is right here. Right here. So what I'll do is I'll put a resistance line. Let me see. Maybe the highest point is about right here. I'll put it right here. So if it break this resistance line right here, then I know it's gonna be a buy. Now, for support line, what I'll do is put another line right here. And I probably go, see these banks right here, guys. So the lowest end was right here, and it hit it 1. Quite couldn't hit it right there. It hit it 2, 3, 4, 5. So most likely what we're gonna do is it probably come down because the white couldn't break the resistance line, and we call that the ceiling, guys. If you look up at your ceiling, that's the resistance line. If you look at the floor, guys, we call that support right here. So most likely it's gonna come down, but you want to wait until the candle close. So this candle just started because you see it's 12 o'clock. All right, guys, just a little something that you know. I know what I'm doing, and it's just y'all guys. All right, guys, take care. Happy Sunday. All right, little mama. All right, y'all.